Welcome to my channel Om Lifestyle and Decor.
Preview, preview, preview,
Indoor plants make your living space more comfortable, breathable and luxurious. The ideas which I will be sharing today on how to display houseplants are sure to give you some inspiration. Houseplants are fun because they often involve easy DIY crafts and creative expression. Building decorative pieces by accessorizing plants, painting a plant holder, or arranging a plant bouquet are just a few examples of how to make your place happy with personalized decor. Planters accentuate the beauty of plants. So first I will paint this planter with blue oil paint. With 2 coats of paint dried completely, it's ready for further designs. So on this one I will be using this stencil. Fix the stencil with sellotape and use golden pearl color for the designs. Color the border also with golden for the rich look. Now the pot is ready. I have selected this indoor climber plant for this arrangement because I want to accessorize it with my painted dry branches. Just need to place them properly and arrange a bit to get the centerpiece ready. This would look great when the plant will grow and arrange itself naturally around the branches. As I mentioned earlier, the more beautiful the pots, the more beautiful your plants. So I'll design a nice pot for my peace lily. I'll mix white color with a bit of red oil paint to get the right shade of pink. Now the pot is ready with 2 coats of pink oil paint dried completely. For the border on this one, I will use purple acrylic paint to get the crisp edges that cannot be achieved with the oil paint. We'll add a coat especially for my peace lily with permanent marker. Now place it anywhere in your home to add some charm. The third one is a simple bouquet of peace lily arranged in this face bowl vase. Now add some pearl beads for that elegant look. In a few days it will start developing multiple tiny roots that fit the plant rather than larger roots for taking nutrients from soil. Change the water in your peace lily once every 2 weeks and feed the plant with a few drops of liquid fertilizer once every 2 weeks. Hope you enjoyed watching this video and got some inspirations as well. So don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thank you.